I'm going outside. Let's see. Oh my God. Alright, let's see here. Alright, I'm going down the steps in my boots. Oh my God. Look at it out here. Wow. Where are the cars? Oh my gosh, I have to see this. This is crazy. Oh my gosh. Ah. I'm still going down. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna walk over to my car and see if I can find it. Oh my gosh. This is so crazy. I don't even know where my feet are. It's all the way to my knees. It's quite pretty though. It's just a lot of work to walk through it. Oh my gosh, I'm exhausted. I don't even know where my van is. Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh. Wow. That's a long ass walk. Okay. Let me see. Where's my van? Wow. There's a tree that fell. Or the branch fell. Alright. Wow. Look at the cars. This is pretty dangerous. It's quite beautiful though. It is pretty dangerous. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is total insanity what I'm doing. But I wanna record this. This is February 2010. Wow. And this is my oh my gosh. This is my parking lot. This is my parking lot. Wow. And there you have it. That's my parking lot. I don't know where my feet are. Okay.